Fridge 2, or How I Learnt to Love Getting Stuck Inside the Fucking Fridge. Not long after, 2 years later, I got out. I'm free now. Free at last, free at last, free at bloody last. 2 bloody years, I said, and started crying. Island. Right, why don't we go get food? Yes, 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 yes. Of course, lunch is at lunchtime, but I don't fucking care. I was starving. Well, actually, I was dying. I used to go round the island for hours looking at food. Once I thought I'd made a breakthrough. I was at Sass.
And there they were.
2 not sus. They were both fantastic. That was a bit rich, but okay. Then there was some white stuff, and actually that wasn't very nice. It was nice. Now I was filling my butt so as not to taste it so much. Meanwhile, I've got big dark coming out my great big ass. I make my eyes go dim. I push my lips out to make myself look rotten. I decided to make a toilet out of wood. But, and this is a really hot big but, I think I need to get wood. But, and this is a big but, I decided to hold the dark inside of my lovely, wet, grainy, savoury, flavoury, slimy ass. Anyway, old cherry tree, and I broke a twig off it. And it was all prickly and flaky and covered in a kind of grey, slimy muck.
A few moments later. A few minutes later.
A few inches later. 12 seconds later.
3 days later. 3 weeks later. Many months later. 1 eternity later.
And there it was. My toilet goes, I said. I rushed, I got to the toilet, and everything was lovely once again. Wonderful.